Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Discord and showing you how to add a bio on your profile using your PC. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Discord open up on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you'll spot a gear icon next to your username. This is your settings menu. Click on that icon to open up your user settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a list of options on the left sidebar. Find and click on My Account. This section allows you to manage your account details. Next, look for the Edit User Profile button and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. You'll see various fields that you can customize, but for now, we want to focus on adding your bio. Scroll down until you find the About Me section. Here, you'll have the opportunity to express yourself. Write down a little bit about who you are or what you love. You can share your interests, hobbies, or even a fun fact. The choice is yours. Once you've crafted the perfect bio, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. And there you go. You've successfully added your bio to your Discord profile. Now, everyone in your Discord community can get to know you a little better. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Discord.